So today's question comes from Johnny Bang 503, who commented on my video, Moving to Ireland from the US. Watch that video for more context. And they ask, so if I'm 30 years old, I'm not going to school or recently graduated, I can't get a holiday work visa, and I can't move to Ireland, correct? So Johnny's asking about Ireland's working holiday visa, which lets you work and live in Ireland for up to a year. So this is pretty cool because getting a work sponsorship in Ireland can be pretty hard. So if you're an American citizen, this might be your in to Ireland. But there are a few catches. Now, working holiday visas usually have an upper age limit of 30 or 35 to apply and qualify. But in Ireland, there is no upper age limit. You just have to be 18 years old. So the part that is tricky here, though, is that you have to be enrolled in a full-time degree program or recently graduated in order to qualify for Ireland's working holiday visa. So to answer your question, Johnny, unfortunately, if you are not in a degree program right now full-time or you're not recently graduated, you cannot qualify for Ireland's working holiday visa. But there are other ways that you can move to Ireland. So some other options to stay in Ireland are to go on a student visa and study, to retire in Ireland, or you can go work in Ireland. Now, as I previously mentioned, it is hard to get a work visa sponsorship in Ireland, but if you are a highly skilled applicant, you may have a chance. Check out Ireland's critical skills permit, where you can see where they have shortages in certain skills, roles, and sectors, and see if there's anything that matches up with your skill set. And also, if you're interested in becoming an accountant, there's also a track for you to get a visa to study in Ireland and get work placement. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, drop them below. And you never know, you might be the next question that I pick for my Ask Cepee series. And if you need more resources to help you with your move abroad, check out my digital book, I'm Outta Here, An American's Ultimate Visa Guide to Moving to Europe, where I go over the 18 easiest countries to move to in Europe and give you over 50 viable visa options to choose from. And if you're a woman aged 30 and over who wants to move abroad, please join my next Move Abroad Masterclass and join my free Facebook community where you will meet over 10,000 like-minded women who want to make a move abroad.